The Minister in charge of Agriculture Department Government of Meghalaya, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, had met farmers and traders at the wholesale market at Ïewduh, Shillong, today, the 12th of May 2023, to listen to their grievances that have resulted from weight deduction of all agricultural products brought to the marketplace. The Minister was accompanied by the MLA of Nongkrem, Ardent Basaiawmoit, and that of North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, the Syiem of Hima Mylliem, Ainam Manik Syiem, besides ministers of the Dorbar of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem and others. Speaking to reporters today, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh said that the matter of weight deduction of vegetables and other agricultural products brought to Ïewduh and other grievances of both farmers and traders will be addressed soon.
Kinong diru na ong hangtay badan kilang yong. Di kapamut ba ibaya thiet ubadi unong rep kadan kindet kata kacing hap ya penbet. Practice. Naman umla pun moromot lang ya baro. Di kancing syam nga hangtay ko kalong ba na kafan kabaay ka sorkar arklor ya kahima lathaw ya ka building hangtay. Hakaba ki retailers but ki wholesalers nila bandon yaw poro shisni jong ka jingdon jong ka yaw om kumbenta hakaba ki wholesalers kin syong adu katabaji ki retailers pat kin syong adu katabaji ngin thaw ngin pumha ka nakaliang ka jong isil lale kata lang takipan se kata ka cold storage nang bakimar bam ki bala ban snew ploy la ban tap kata ka cold storage nilaong iti gibabon ki scheme ki biniwan ra banyalap ya ka packing group marketing and packaging ya kita ki goods jong kini si number sa ubawan na kata kajaka ubi bandon na kajong ka label Brisbane ubawan ng tao ubi bandon na kajong ka label nang ba kani ka labeling ka ay ki kata ka unique selling price USP kaban yarap ya kini banyo kador ka bakhamha kata kadai ka jingyo i jonga man takasngi ngayo ngawru ba kata ka 8 kilo hang ni kam don shu kadang don penban satay siya po moirembong stand nakapenta ka jingya di thir ya sing ya kataru ngin siya ni jurut pat inom siya shu makabja.
The MLA of Nongkrem, Ardent Basaiawmoit, who had brought up the issue of farmers during the last assembly session, said that both farmers and traders should be honest enough to weigh the products as they are without any sort of deduction at all.
Kamdon ka jing 8 kilo. Kanlong ka babakla sibun banginong bakamdon ka jing 8 kilo. Dahil mar badon bakisawan hiyar manin na discouncil banpen sange. Dahil nam dahil. Kajingwan ka jong ki lasi kadai hadin baki iba kilatip banginon mangiman ta kasi. Kandai ngiya ka program bangina depan penbek lupa ngiwan bat bani tentu iginong rep ngila yo snow unong tietu umunjur bakadon. Kajing ong lang yung kaklimi na kalyang jungi kami na unong tiet pa unong di ba lan mlalak hakakam kai pateng balai but udan ni boleh to boleh syukur kendring ngila keren kajing keren banang ni smart tong ini kai da ka ba hok no bat kita ki nongrap ru kin le hok bat kita ki nong biru kin nong tiet kin le hok kata ka di ka baning kong syua ka ba ngin sedang bat nagalyang kajing ki banang ong kamdon an ban 8 kilo